Oh, being playing a bit of Fortnite, you know,
Oh, have you?
getting
Look at
getting
you.
the hang of it.
Oh,
Yeah,
really? Oh, look at you, eh?
yeah, I'm pretty shit, eh?
Fuck, my fucking shit's lagging. Fuck off. Should I buy the battle pass? Oh my goodness,
Don't.
guys. I'm
All
gonna,
right.
I'm gonna buy it. I'll buy it. I'll buy it.
Oh, okay.
Oh fuck! I did it. 3,000 V-bucks. Shit. Oh, I did it. Oh.
3, 2, 1, drop it.
Oh my god, guys, this is epic.
Almost died.
Where are you?
Oh,
Where are you?
okay.
Where are you? Oh fuck.
Might end the shit. Oh, he's killed
Come on,
me.
mate.
Oh, I'm dead.
Mate, I'm gonna get him for you.
What's the number one champion sound? Yeah, Estelle, we about to get down. Who the hottest in the world right now?
Okay, I'm not sure what I'm doing
in
yet.
London town. Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Set up a motor, we need more seats. We just sold out all the
Check this
floor
out.
seats.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick it with you. You'll be my American boy.
Hey? What are you gonna do? Shoot through your own fucking visuals?
Nice to meet ya.
Fuck.
I just met this 5% guy who's just my type.
Maybe you should get.
Like the way
you
he
should
speaks.
get- oh.
I just spent 40 bucks on Fortnite.
Uh,
I'm having a bar of it.
okay, so I'll tell you the story, okay?
Yeah.
I was in this custom game. He was the leader of it. He kicked me from it twice. And then I messaged him. I'm like, "Are you autistic?" And then he sent me a voice message saying, "Do I sound like I'm autistic?" And then I invited him to the party, and I just kept calling him autistic. I was getting too intimate. Wait, what? Hold on, should I see if he's gonna join? I'll try and invite him again.
Okay.
Here he is. Here he is. Here. Hello?
What do you want?
I'm already Tracer.
Fuck off.
Like your mom did.
Oh, he got me there, eh? Oh, he hit it with the classic "your mum did" joke, eh? Oh my fucking good. Okay, fuck off, cunt. Did he really say like your mum did? I'm already Tracer, like your mum did. Okay.
Oh!
Max, what's my password?
Ah. You're asking me.
Your God.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Ah,
I wasn't listening.
That's gay. That's masturbation.
Okay. That's bastamation. What the fuck?
I told you, not breathe in our ears. Go over, right, over to the left. Go swing left that way. Very lots that way. Come.
What?
You got it?
Yep, got it. Yep, got it.
Well, I'm on the sidebar thing.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, go.
Sidebar.
Where it's like sign in and then your account. You know, switch.
Oh,
your
okay.
profile, sign
Yeah.
out.
I got it,
And
I got it.
you.
Yeah, I got it. I got
I
it.
even pointed at it.
Yeah, just putting it in. Just punching it in right now.
Punching it in.
Eating anal hole.
Never hear it.
is better
Never
than
hear
eating anal hole.
an old white guy. Don't worry, I'm punching in my pin now. You know the password for the S-Plus card? Yeah, I'm just punching it in now. He like actually starts punching the machine. Max, how did that work?
Because now,
So, you were kicking me because you wanted to let other people join. So why
Yes.
were you only kicking me then?
Because I was thinking of you. And
What?
Hey, that is gay. Hey, okay?
Gay.
yeah, this is a Christian channel.
Did you
If you're gonna talk like that, you take that to PlayStation.
did you just assume my gender?
make me. Dude, make me.
Go to
Make
gay
me.
station. That's
You.
where you belong.
Yeah.
So, where were we? Baited?
Yeah, where were we?
Oh, fuck, this is so good. Bro, you know this is... Max, this is
Yeah.
Oh!
Sorry.
Not happy. Not happy with this shit.
Video only got 35 views in 5 minutes. Not happy at all.
Not happy. Fuck.
Not having a bar of it, mate.
I will buy it. You should. Wait, do you want to try sneeze on my sneeze? Just once I sneeze, you sneeze right in front of the mice.
I can't choose to sneeze though, mate.
Yes, just stick something like a toothpick up your nose. Stop hitting cans over. I'm gonna give
That's
you
not
nothing.
the
So, you know
point. Okay, I just
The
did
person
that,
who wins-
so it wasn't
person
complicated
who-
at all.
what? Shut up. The person who wins is me. And who's laughing?
Me!
Oh! Oh!
I'm gonna go for Prestige Master. Stop.
Fuck! Oh! Oh,
Stop
you
being
know,
a faggot.
if a girl asked me to fuck at a party, you know what I'd say?
What?
I'm not gonna interrupt my Bible studies. Yeah, you're gay. You can't heal on your face. You can't.
Oh,
heal
that was
on your gender.
epic!
I'm playing it safe up here. I'm waiting for a clip to come by. You know.
Legit no penis. He has no penis.
Literally hasn't had a piece of pussy.
He hasn't had a piece of pizza in 25 years.
Hey, yeah.
What are you drinking?
I'm not drinking anything. I just did that sound. I'm just kidding. I'm drinking orange.
Drinking an orange? One whole orange?
Yes, with the skin on.
I was gonna say, so you just magically made that a cap spinning just with your mouth?
Yes. No, that was the orange spinning.
That was orange spinning. That's how you open an orange, you have to spin it. To spin the top off.
That's how you open a flange.
What?
Just making sure you've got. No, vote stronghold.
That's a shame.
Fuck. I have 2 Cokes in my fridge, but I'm saving them.
You saving them. What are you saving them for, sir? What are you saving your cokes for, sir? That's great. Faggot. Ah, what a bitch. Can't even survive bullets? What the fuck? Idiot.
Where else can they be?
On the moon. Fuck him up, cunt. Fuck you, man.
Sorry.
Storm on the KRM.
Shut up!
Maggot. Don't go in there, it's too scary. I'm gonna
Oh,
go.
shit.
I'm gonna go for a clip. Wait, I'm going. Oh, fuck.
Alright, I'm going for a clip.
Go on.
Alright, let's go. Oh!
What the fuck even hit me?
Get under the roof, Ben.
I'm under the roof, mate.
Hey!
Wait, what's hitting me? What? Oh my fucking god. Shut up.
No. I am not. This is some good ASMR. So, do you want to go to the park later?
Shut up.
Wow, squirking turtle. What the fuck sort of name is that? Fuck off, dude. What if one of these guys is just...
Oh, Max, you can't do that. No, you
You can. I
can't
thought
do that.
You can.
Nah, can't do it. Nope.
You can. Hold on.
Nah, can't do that. No. No,
You wait. You wait.
you can't do that.
You can do it.
No, you can't
Yeah.
do that.